Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the vehicle Bluetooth. So first you want to make sure the vehicle is turned on, and just wait a moment for everything to turn on. And then for this to work, everything's going to be done through here. You could also use your voice commands. So if you push this, it would prompt you through voice commands. Just, like phone setup, add phone. And then here we'll do it through the radio. So you want to make sure it's turned on. And then you're going to push this enter settings to get you to this screen, at which point you can scroll up or down as needed. We're going to go to Bluetooth and push enter. And then Bluetooth, you want it on, obviously. And then our add phone. If your phone storage is full, you might need to delete or replace a phone. We'll do add phone.
There are 5 phones stored in the system. Please say replace phone, delete phone, or help.
At this case, replace phone.
Replace phone. Available phones are Linux S22 Ultra,
Yes.
Galaxy S22 Ultra, Oops iPhone, and iPhone 4. Please say the name of the phone you want to replace. Current name is Linux S22 Ultra.
iPhone 4.
iPhone 4. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Replacing iPhone 4. Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth.
So you want a phone?
My car.
And you want that symbol there to be illuminated for your Bluetooth. And then you want to be in your Bluetooth screen. So here now it's off. It's turned on and it's searching. Again, as the vehicle said, we want my car. So it's probably going to be this one here whenever it gets the name, but it should say my car any moment. Yep, so then we'll select that. And then it's going to populate a pin.
Match the pin on the display. Say yes or no.
There is the pin, so we'll hit pair. And then you need to also do it on the vehicle, which would just say yes.
Does the pin on your handset match the pin on the display? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Please.
And that's it. You should be connected. It'll ask you to connect your phone book and whatnot now. But they're connected now. So you'll be able to take calls and play your Bluetooth music or whatever through the car now. So yeah, it's asking if you want contact history and whatnot to go through the car. But anyways, all that should be saved now, and as you saw, it saved my phone into the settings so it can auto connect later, a much easier process. But I hope this was helpful and hope you have a great day.